back to another vlog. This week, it's not a weekly vlog. It's just gonna be my Wednesday in my life vlog. I tried to film a little bit yesterday, so I might put a few clips in there. I'll probably put like my unboxing, PR unboxing from yesterday in here. There's 2 packages here. I figured I would do a little unboxing for you guys. You Beauty sent their lip compound, the Plasma Lip Compound, the Super Hydrator, the Resurfacing Compound. Wow, very clean, sleek packaging. Love that. First of all, the packaging of this is so cute. Should we put it on? It's in rose. Oh my god, I love a good lip applicator. It has like a subtle color to it. These were the 3 products that were in there. Thank you so much, You Beauty. This is crazy. Forget the Filler Cherry Vanilla Collection. Look at this. I think it's so cool whenever companies send their PR in like these really cool boxes. Here we have the Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask, the new Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Tinted Balm Stick, Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss, and then the Queen Size Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Guys, should we just try it out now? I mean, okay, I just took off the You Beauty chapstick. Okay, I like the packaging. Okay, I like the dofa. Oh gosh, let's see how strong this is gonna. Oh my god, it smells like candy. Okay, here we go. I feel like a little bit of tingling, but like nothing crazy. Definitely could handle this and like be reapplying it. Well, I am stoked about that. You guys know me, you know I love a good lip, I love a good gloss, and I love a good plumper. Thank you so much, Lawless. Last night when I went to bed, I used their overnight lip plumping mask and I liked it. It wasn't like a spicy plump like typically, and then they have like a balm, so I think I'm just gonna throw the balm on. I just brushed my teeth, so I just want something moisturizing on my lip. Does that look crazy? Got this phone case on Amazon. It's so cute. First of all, I was like so sad to have to put the Octo Buddy over all like the bows and stuff. This Octo Buddy sticks to literally everything. I didn't know that, but like I was walking around yesterday and I had like a sticker stuck to it. Things are just like stuck to it, so I have to like take it off, and I just like wasn't expecting it. Like my dry shampoo, like everything just like sticks to it. We're gonna do our makeup and get presentable for the day. I got out of the shower. I just spent so long trying to do a half up, half down on my hair. It's not done. I'm gonna curl it. What is that? If I look or touch, it's gonna get messed up and I'm gonna wanna rip it out. Like excited. I've been looking at Pinterest lately and trying to find like everyday hairstyles I can like easily do or can like get better at doing, because I have naturally just like such straight hair that like I just need a little booklet of ideas for hairstyles that I can do. I just inhaled literally all of that. Well, while I'm getting ready, I'm just gonna do a little like life catch up with you, but basically I've honestly been so happy. I just feel back to myself and it feels so good. Okay, I kind of like that the curl like adds some volume. The hair is done. I'm about to start filming for TikTok a get ready with me, but I wanted to show you guys my setup because honestly my quality of content has improved immensely since I changed this setup. Here it is. It's this tripod, which I honestly love because it can go basically to the same height as me. And then I got this little light. It's just rechargeable. You can change it, make it more blue tone light, orange tone light, the whole deal. And the tripod comes with this little remote that's like Bluetooth to my phone, so I can sit here and press start, stop, and I don't have to really like mess with it, so I can use the quality of the back camera. And then I just kind of have it like that in the mirror, just so I can really make sure if the video is stopped or started, or that there's nothing going on to like prevent me from filming, so I'm not like halfway through my get ready with me and haven't been filming for the last little bit. I can kind of just like make sure I know what's going on. But honestly, it's improved the quality of my content so much, which is exciting for me to then film with. And my reviews look so much better. I'm gonna film a quick makeup get ready with me.
Hey babe, it's been a long time. I know everything has been messy in our lives.
My boyfriend just called me and asked me on a lunch date. Don't gotta ask me twice, I'm with it.
You must have changed your life now. Found another guy. You know, I've been the same.
I did the makeup. This is what it turned out like. I actually really like it. I have a whole video tutorial get ready with me type deal up on my TikTok account for this look. I've had this Tommy Hilfiger like crew jersey type of deal for so long. The last time I wore it was actually in Amsterdam, and I haven't worn it since. It's always stayed in my closet. I didn't think it was gonna fit me anymore, and then I saw it today and I was like, wait, look at how stinking cute it would look with my cargo jeans. And I feel like it is such a cute stinking little outfit, and I like my hair and my makeup, and I feel ready to conquer the day. I'm gonna whip out my calendar for March. I literally cannot believe that it is already March. That's baffling to me. The months are going by so quick. So tomorrow I have a meeting with my team, so I'm just gonna write that down. And I always just like make sure to write things down on my calendar, so then that way I know that I'm getting everything done that I need to do, and if I have to add anything, I know that I remember it. There's so many things that I do every single day, so if I do it every single day, like I'm not gonna really write it on my to-do list. So I have content written on every day, but content written on every day is uploading every single day on every single platform, making sure that I'm active and doing everything, responding to emails, checking emails, making sure that everything's all set with my other job. So there's a lot of other things that go into play, and it's the things that are unusual in my routine or specific that I write down in the calendar. But it is very fun, and I'm so I love doing it. I literally love doing it. I would spend every day for the rest of my life doing it. I majored in college with it, got my degree with it because I love doing it so much. It's always been my passion, so I'm so grateful that I get to do it every day. Like, duh, so fun. I am going to edit this get ready with me that I just filmed and upload it. Okay, literally like 30 minutes later, the video is uploading now. And then right now somebody commented asking about the jeans that I'm wearing. There's no gatekeeping on my account, let me tell you something. Also, we hit 1,500 subscribers. I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you for your love and support. It genuinely means the world to me. Don't be scared to comment. I always respond to comments, so don't be scared to get a little wild in that comment section, okay? Right now, I am gonna head over to the office and do some work. I will catch up with you guys in a little bit, or whenever I'm doing something fun.
Hello people, how are we doing? Nice crispy Wednesday afternoon.
We're midweek. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
Midwinter, it's midwinter.
We're on our way to get food right now. Tonight, we're having dinner with my cousins and my aunt and uncle. My uncle is like the best chef ever. Wait,
AKA Gordon?
Rightly. Yeah, like he puts up a fight against Gordon Ramsay, shall I say. You guys, this lip liner from Makeup Forever, I normally am not one to go for brown liners, but it's the Limitless brown shade, and what do you think?
Wow, very nice.
Right? You guys, the other day, this woman DM'd me on Instagram and asked me where I get my aesthetics done. I have never gotten work on I was gonna say I've never gotten work on my face. I've never gotten work on any part of my body.
Did you reply after that?
But anyway, I was like, that is so kind. Because I haven't gotten any work done. I even left this scar on my face. And my dad was like, if you wanna, because I got it in a water skiing accident. And they just like, in the hospital, they glued that part of my face when they should have stitched it. So it left a big scar. And my dad was like, do you want to get it fixed? And at first I was like, I don't like it, it's unsymmetrical, there's a hole in my face. But then I grew to really, really love that little scar. I think it's cute, I think it's original, and it's memory. So I didn't get it fixed. But I think I could get Botox. But I don't have to get anything, and I have no plans of getting anything. But I'm a glam girl, so there's no judgment here. I'd probably be asking you a lot of questions if you did get something done, because I'm curious and I want to know. I'm at our gym. Keenan's working out. I'm editing right now. Anybody can stay in this hairstyle all day, you have no feeling in your scalp. My head hurts so bad. From now on, this hairstyle is if I am having a short night and I know I don't have to be in it for like all day. Like, what is that about? Oh my god. I don't think I can get that out. I really don't. I really don't believe that I can do it. There's no way I would give up on this that easy if I genuinely believed that I couldn't get it out. So here we go. Oh my god, you guys. No, that's stuck in there. I just tried one more time. I said, you know what, try one more time. Try as hard as you can. And if you still can't do it, then you can cut it. And that is not coming out. Oh my god. Well, you guys, that was a really fun day, actually. I really, really enjoyed today. I felt very confident and happy, and I was with amazing people that I really love in my life, and I got to do my passion for a majority of the day. Like, what a gift. I'm talking quiet also because it is so late and I don't want to like wake anyone up by like talking so loud. I'm using the Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumper. I'm honestly like loving it. You know what, I think I'm actually gonna bring this to my bedside table. I don't really have like a good hydrating lip next to my bedside table right now. I am going to go to bed. Thanks for hanging out with me on a Wednesday day in my life. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesdays. Bye, beauties.